Hello friends, today we will make Pani Puri, which is also called Golgappa in the north. Let's see the ingredients first for the minty water. We will need coriander leaves, mint leaves, cumin seeds, lemon, ginger, chili and black salt. Ingredients for the sweet chutney. We will need dates, tamarind, red chili powder, jaggery and dry ginger powder. Now for the filling in the puris, we will need boiled chana or sprouts and boiled potato. Now let's first make the water. We will put green chilies and ginger in the blender. Now put the coriander and mint leaves washed with enough water into the jar. Now put salt, then black salt, put some asafoetida, cumin seeds, then squeeze in the juice of a lemon for that sourness. Here goes the other lemon. Yes. Now we shall blend all these ingredients together and get the paste for making the minty water. Here, our paste is ready. Let's remove it out in a bowl. Nice refreshing color of the green leaves. Yes. Now add water into this and then your refreshing water for the Pani Puri is ready. Here, the refreshing green color. Now let's make the sweet chutney. In a cooker, let's take washed dates and tamarind. Wash them properly. Then put in the jaggery. You will need enough jaggery here as the tamarind is very sour. Now add some water into this. Yes, this much will be enough. Add some salt into the mixture and then give a whistle or two to this mixture. Here it has been cooked. Now we are going to mix this and strain the seeds and other remains of the tamarind and dates. Put a strainer in the bowl. Add all the cooked mixture into the strainer. Here you can see water coming out. Now use your machine and grind it so that all the pulp comes out for the sweet chutney. Here, if the pulp is very thick, you can add some water into it. Adjust the taste. Now we will cook this for some time. We will add, salt was already added. We'll add the powder of dry roasted cumin seeds, then dry ginger powder, which is also called salt, and red chili powder. Now bring this mixture to a boil and then allow it to cook for some time. You can store this chutney for many other uses also. Here the sweet chutney is ready. It has boiled. Allow it to cool. Now let's make the filling. These are black chana which had been soaked for 8 to 12 hours and then they have been cooked in the cooker. Then mix the boiled potato. Now let's mix in this paste which I have strained from the minty water. This is optional, it is not compulsory. You can mix this. Now add salt to taste. Add red chili powder. Black salt. Now let's mix all the ingredients so that every masala is mixed into the peas here. Now your pani puri is ready. Have it.